In this video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at PLU reporting on the SR-C550 register. So you may or may not have PLU set up on the machine because as standard, all your buttons here are departments and your department sales are covered in your standard Z report. So if you run a daily Z report or a periodic Z report, all your departments are listed out automatically. If you've got PLUs on the machine, so particularly if you're using the machine with a barcode scanner, then you'll need to run a PLU report to see how many of each individual product you've sold. So there's two places you can run a PLU report from on these machines. You can go to the X mode and run a PLU report there. What that information that's printing out now is telling us is how many of each individual PLU we've sold since the last time we ran a Z resetting report. So it's not for a specific period of time as far as the till's aware, it's the amount of sales we've had since the last time we reset the machine. So that's PLU report number one you can do, but that data, because we ran it in the X mode, hasn't reset. If we now turn the key round to Z, which is the only other place you can run a PLU report, and press cash amount 10 on the PLU, this report is going to be identical to the X report, but it's basically resetting the data. So it's the same information. It says that we've sold 72 GT85 products for a total value of £359.28. It's quite good in the sense that it doesn't print out all the PLUs, it only prints the PLUs that you've sold. And if we prove the point that the data resets, if we run another PLU report in the Z mode, because we're running it straight after this report here, there's going to be no PLU sold, so the report is going to be either 0 or blank. So it's actually blank. So you've got basically one chance to get your PLU data. So when you run your PLU report, it kind of depends what you're using it for, but you might want to run it maybe weekly or monthly or quarterly. But what you've got to understand with the reporting on this level of register is that you can't go into it and say, I want to see how many PLUs I've sold on Tuesday last week. The reports are fairly formulaic in that they run to the routine, so I'd suggest running a PLU report once a month. For more information on the SR-C550 and other Casio cash registers, you can click on the video links appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.